Hello children, good morning. Let's start up the EVS class. So which lesson we were learning in the previous class children? Yeah, that is plant life. Before learning to the next topic, let's revise the things which you have learnt in the previous class. In the previous class, you have learnt the parts of the plants. So children, which is the part which grows below the soil and holds the plant firmly to the soil? Yes, it is root. And which is the part that grows above the soil? Yes, it is stem. Which is the part of the plant which prepares food for the plant? Yes, it is leaves. Children, let's begin the class with a short story.
The apple tree. In the middle of a beautiful green forest stood a big apple tree. In the branches of the tree lived many birds. The birds ate the juicy red apples. Every day, hundreds of ants carried the red apples to their home. One day, a woodcutter came to the forest to cut the tree. The birds and the ants were very sad. They were unhappy that they would lose their home. They pleaded with the woodcutter. "Please do not cut the apple tree, Mr. Woodcutter. If you cut the tree, we shall have no home. Please, Mr. Woodcutter, do not cut the apple tree. The tree is our home." The woodcutter could see that many animals lived in the tree. He decided not to cut the tree. "Thank you, Mr. Woodcutter. Thank you, Mr. Woodcutter. Please take some apples to your family." The birds and the ants were very happy. They thanked the kind woodcutter. Animals also need a home to live. Grow more plants.
Children, hope you all have enjoyed the story. So what did you learn from the story? Yes, the uses of trees. Trees are the homes for many animals and also they give us food. So we have to grow more and more trees. We find many kind of plants around us, right? Children, in the picture here, which are the plants which are big? Yes, the answer is mango tree and coconut tree. Which are the smaller plants? The answer is rose plant and tulsi plant. So plants are of different shape and size. So let's learn the different types of plants depending on their shape and size. So children, the different types of plants are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. So now let's learn each type of plant. Very big, tall and strong plants are called as trees. The stem of a tree is called as trunk. It is hard and thick. The trees also have branches. Examples of trees are peepal tree, banyan tree, coconut tree, mango tree, neem tree, etc. Children, the trees can live for many years. You can see in this picture children, the tree has grown so wide and its stem that is called as trunk is so huge and the branches of the trees are touching the ground. Children, in Bangalore, there is one of the oldest banyan tree which is also called as Dodda Alada Mara, which is 400 years old. So children, what are the big, tall and strong plants called as? They are called as trees. So what are the parts of the trees? Trunk, branches, leaves, and root. So the thick stem of a tree is called as trunk. The next type of plants are shrubs. They are smaller than trees. They have thin, hard and woody stem. Children, can you observe the plant has many branches? So they are also called as bushy plants. So shrubs are also called as bushy plants. Even they live for many years. The examples of shrubs are rose, hibiscus, cotton, bougainvillea, because they have thin, hard and woody stems. Children, can you name the plant? Yes, it is hibiscus plant. What type of plant is it, children? Tree or shrub? Yes, it is shrub because it has thin and woody stem. It is a bushy plant because it has many branches. Children, look at this plant. Isn't it smaller than shrubs? Yes, these are called as herbs. Herbs are very small plants. Can you look at the color of the stem? Which color do they are? They are green in color. So herbs have soft and green stems. And also they are very small plants. So the examples of herbs are rice, grass, coriander, tulsi, aloe vera. Children, you also know that tulsi and aloe vera are also called as medicinal plants. Children, what fruit is it? Yes, it is banana. Banana also is obtained from the plants, right? So here is the banana plant. Is it a tree or a herb? It's big, but it is not tree. It is having a soft and green stem. So the plants with soft and green stems are called as herbs. Yes, banana plant is the biggest herb. The next type of plants are called as climbers. Climbers have weak stems. They cannot grow straight on their own. They need support of walls, sticks or other plants to grow. Such plants are called as climbers. Examples are grapevine plant, money plant and pea plant. Children, can you guess what kind of plant is this which is growing on the tree? Yes, it is a climber because it has weak stem and it needs support to grow. What support it is taking? It is taking the support of the tree to grow. So it is called as climbers. The next plants are creepers. They have weak stem. Creepers grow along the ground. Examples are watermelon, pumpkin. They are heavy fruits. Children, what fruit is it? Yes, it is muskmelon. Can you see the stem of muskmelon plant? It is weak and they are growing along the ground. If a plant is growing along the ground, what they are called as? They are called as creepers. Children, now question time. The question is, Neha saw her mother growing a plant. As it was growing, she fixes a stick to the pot. She started thinking, what kind of plant is it? So what is the answer, children? Yes, the answer is, it is a climber, because the climbers have weak stem. They need support to climb up. Children, hope you all have understood the lesson. In the next class, let's do the reading activity. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye.